Want to increase your comfort at home while saving money at the same time? At Georgia Power, we can help you do just that. With our Home Energy Improvement Program, you can take advantage of lower energy bills, increased comfort, and added value to your home through energy-efficient upgrades. Plus, we offer rebates that can help make qualifying energy efficiency updates more affordable. Some recommended improvements may include attic insulation, duct sealing, smart thermostats, or upgrades to your whole house. So, where to start? There are 2 ways you can participate in the program: through whole house improvements or individual improvements. The key to qualifying for the whole house approach is ensuring that improvements will reduce your electric energy use by 25%. A participating program contractor will complete an in-home energy assessment and review the recommended upgrades and potential rebates with you. If you qualify, simply approve the recommendations and have your participating program contractor complete the improvements. Once finished, you'll receive a follow-up in-home energy assessment to verify your improvements and finalize your rebate application. What happens if you only need to make 1 or 2 improvements? No problem. Your participating program contractor will let you know what individual updates to make that qualify for rebates as well. More of a do-it-yourselfer? We've got you covered. There are a few individual improvements that can be self-installed following approved guidelines, such as attic insulation, heat pump water heaters, and smart home thermostats. No matter what approach you take, we have rebates to make your energy efficiency journey a little easier. You can earn 50% of cost up to $1,150 through the whole house approach, or 50% of cost up to $600 for the individual improvements approach. Are you ready to start getting the most out of your home? Cut costs, not comfort. Join the Home Energy Improvement Program by visiting georgiapower.com/home efficiency and sign up for a home assessment today.